Well, viewers, the TMC's revolt is out in writing. Amid the ongoing tussle in the Trinamool Congress, the names of 19 rebel MPs who sent their names to the Lok Sabha Speaker's office on the 18th of May have now come to the fore. In fact, Times now has accessed this letter that you're seeing on the screens, submitted by the rebels to the Lok Sabha Speaker. Now, this list includes the names of Shatabdi Roy, Sayoni Ghosh, Kakuli Ghosh Dastidar, and Yusuf Pathan, and 15 others. All the signatures that you're seeing on the screens. And this is on the 18th that the letter had been submitted to the Speaker in this regard. So TMC rebellion had already started, and the resignations came in much after that. You're seeing over the last few days there have been multiple resignations. Now, 20 TMC breakaway MPs had sent their names to the Lok Sabha Speaker on the 18th of May. And you're looking at the screens, the names have been written, and this also includes the names of Kakuli Ghosh Dastidar. It also has the name of Yusuf Pathan. So what happens next is a big question. What is going to happen? Because the numbers are startling. 19 MPs have currently decided to move away from Mamata Banerjee's TMC. Does this mean that they will become the real TMC? And what happens to Mamata Banerjee's TMC? That question remains. Let's go across to my colleagues joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi is joining us. And Sabyasachi, this letter becomes extremely important. Rajesh is also joining us. But Sabyasachi, on the 18th of May is when this letter had been sent to the Lok Sabha Speaker. Take us through the names and why this becomes extremely significant at a time when there are multiple exits and only adding numbers to the exits from the TMC.
That's right, Pratibha. It becomes extremely crucial because the signatures of the 19 MPs were collected on the 18th of May, right after 4 days after the results came out. And this clearly rejects the claim that the Mamata Banerjee establishment has been making, that they had already appointed Mr. Kalyan Banerjee as the chief whip, and the Lok Sabha Speaker has given his acceptance. Now, Kakuli Ghosh Dastidar, who was the chief whip of the Trinamool Congress, in fact, she would continue to be the chief whip because since they have submitted the letter before the Mamata Banerjee establishment. Now, the political trouble is continuously increasing for Mamata Banerjee. The names of 19 MPs has been put out in the list along with the IC number. That is the identification membership number of a member of parliament is extremely crucial. And there are certain shocking names like Sayoni Ghosh, who once considered to be a very close aide of Abhishek Banerjee as well as Mamata Banerjee. In fact, the way she addressed to replica Mamata Banerjee, the same sari, the same white chappal, and she has rose quite sharply to the top ranks. She was the Yuva head of the Trinamool Congress, the post once Abhishek Banerjee held. Now, the Mamata Banerjee establishment continues to raise their voices. They say that 3 of the MPs who had put their signatures, they are in touch with us and they want to withdraw the signatures. But the rebel MPs, all of them, in fact, are not happy with the Trinamool Congress functioning. Okay. And there is very limited option in front of Mamata Banerjee. She can fight it in the court, whether in the Calcutta High Court or in the Supreme Court, and also can go across to the Lok Sabha Speaker as per the two-third law is concerned of the anti-defection law. These MPs are going to skip that because they have the two-third majority. But the Mamata Banerjee establishment can say that they have to merge with the Bharatiya Janata Party under the two-third law. But then there is one option that Kakuli Ghosh Dastidar camp has. They can obviously say that some of the decisions taken by the party was against the constitution and there were continuous violations.
How that plays out. These are some of the options, and it is very likely now, going by the numbers, that we could actually see a complete breakaway. Let's take this across to Sagarika, also joining us on the broadcast. And Sagarika, the date is extremely important, and some of the names as well have come as quite a surprise.
Yes, so we are being told, Pratibha, that this letter was submitted to the Speaker on the 18th. 25 days on, the letter is out, and now we know that 19 MPs of the Trinamool Congress have decided to break away. They want to be recognized. They want to be identified as the real TMC. Names are extremely interesting. Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar, the Lok Sabha MP from Barasat, is the face of this breakaway faction. Number 2, then you have on the list is Shatabdi Roy, also part of this rebel faction, MP from Birbhum. Then you have Bapi Haldar, who's the MP from Mathurapur. Then you have Dr. Sharmila Sarkar, who is the Bardhaman Purbo MP. Then you have Prasun Banerjee, who is the MP from Howrah. You have Jagdish Basunia, Kuch Bihar MP, Asit Mal, Bolpur MP, Arup Chakraborty, Bankura MP, Rachna Banerjee, Hooghly MP, very, very prominent face, when it comes to the, the TV face of the Trinamool Congress. Interesting name, Shawnee Ghosh. Shawnee Ghosh's name has made it in the list, and there is her name here with the signatures as well. So Shawnee Ghosh, Jadavpur MP, Khalilur Rahman, Jangipur. So 3 MPs, Muslim MPs. One that is Khalilur Rahman from Jangipur, Abu Tahir Khan, the Murshidabad MP, and Yusuf Pathan, the Behrampur MP. Their names too are featuring in this list. Then you have Mitali Bagh, the MP from Arambagh, Mala Roy, Kolkata Dakshin MP, Kalipada Soren, Jhargram MP, the Dev Adhikari, actor, also now part of the rebel camp, Ghatal MP, June Malia. Recently we saw her pictures where she met Shubhendu Adhikari, Mednipur MP, and Partha Bhaumik. Now, this is the list of the rebels, the 19 MPs. And then you also have the loyalists, and the names of the loyalists are also out, from Kirti Azad to Shatrughan Sinha, to Sudeep Bandyopadhyay, to Saugata Roy. But if there is one voice that's coming out from both the factions, is the fact that, yes, there are issues that persist. Especially, there are veteran leaders now who are speaking out against Abhishek Banerjee. So there is a choice that Mamata Banerjee now has to make.
Okay, all right, Sagarika, thank you for getting us the details of all the MPs who have signed this letter. And this becomes extremely important because this is a clear indication that this rebellion has been in the works for weeks together now. We have more breaking updates now coming in. Amid this big rebellion within the TMC, TMC posters have been removed from its Delhi office. Now, this is at the residence of Barrackpur Lok Sabha MP Partha Bhaumik, who is among the 20 TMC breakaway MPs that sent their names to the Lok Sabha Speaker's office on the 18th of May. So the rebel faction strength of 19 MPs, which is 2/3 of the party's strength, allows them to actually bypass the anti-defection law. And they have till now been insisting that they won't be joining the NDA alliance. And what is going to happen next? And where does this leave Mamata Banerjee? That question still remains. And Sabyasachi, now the most important question is, what remains of Mamata Banerjee's party? And now details also coming in that the TMC posters are also being removed.
Well, that's right. The Trinamool Congress office in the national capital has to shift because the Trinamool Congress official office was at the residence of Partha Bhaumik. Then his name is on the rebel list, the one who has put his signatures. So that is the reason why they have to vacate the Trinamool Congress office from his official bungalow here in the national capital and shift to some other location to the loyalist MPs of the Mamata Banerjee establishment. Now, troubles are continuously increasing for Mamata Banerjee. See, out of 28 MPs, there are 19 MPs have already put their signatures. There are talks going on, and in the coming days, there could be 1 or 2 more signatures in that particular letter. And till now, as per the sources, 8 to 9 MPs continue to support Mamata Banerjee, but there also troubles are continuously increasing because we saw yesterday what happened with Mr. Kalyan Banerjee. He openly given an ultimatum to former Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee that she has to decide between him and Abhishek Banerjee, and time and again same voices has been continuously raising, Pratibha. And also, if you look at the senior leaders of Trinamool Congress in the Lok Sabha, like Sudeep Bandyopadhyay, there were reports from very long time that they were not happy with the party functioning. In fact, they were also not happy with the kind of behavior they were were subjected to from Abhishek Banerjee, and this has been put across to Mamata Banerjee time and again, but there has been no action as far as Mamata Banerjee is concerned. And this is a result today where several of the MPs have spoken out, and they have said that they don't have much problem with Mamata Banerjee, but the problem solely lies with Mr. Abhishek Banerjee.
Okay, all right. So as of now, posters being brought down. There is this letter as well that we have accessed. 18th of May is when this letter has been signed. But let's get you more details coming in, viewers. One of the signatories of the letter, the rebel TMC MP, Arup Chakravarti, has spoken to us, giving us an insider account of what is really happening in the party and why there is mounting anger against Abhishek Banerjee.
Arup ji, where is and at whom is your anger directed at? Is your anger with Mamata Banerjee? Do you have a problem with how Abhishek Banerjee is ruling or governing the party? What is the issue that you seem to be raising within the TMC?
वो लोग चलाया, वो लोग बर्बाद किया, उन लोग से बात कीजिए.
किसकी बात कर रहे हैं आप?
नहीं बोला कि why they are not call any meeting regarding the political vindictive? Why they are keep mum? This is their responsibility. This is not our responsibility. As they have already formed this party and they are giving a leadership since 15 years back, this is their lecture spot. They will think it, they will decide it. They will talk with the members of the parliament. Then they decide, then the problem may be solved. Neither we have already taken decision to save the prestige of the party of Trinamool Congress. We are going to form a new performance with the 20 members in the Lok Sabha Parliament and want to allocate block for the members for sitting arrangement.
So let's now tell you the rebellion and give you the details of what all of this actually means. So 19 MPs had signed this letter and it was handed over to the Speaker. So let's break it down in numbers and tell you what it actually means for the TMC. So there are a total of 28 MPs that the TMC has. The threshold for 2/3 for the anti-defection law not to kick in is 19 MPs. And look at the number. There are 19 signatories, which means that the anti-defection law would not come into effect here. So what this means for the TMC is that there is a shield of the 2/3 number for the rebels from the anti-defection. It will not come into effect because 2/3 are going to be in the rebel faction, and it is the other side that is going to be in minority. And this also opens up the battle for the name, the TMC, as well as the party symbol. We've seen that happen with multiple parties before, and now that battle is going to play out in the TMC. Whether the rebel faction says that they are the real TMC and how that could play out, and legally as well, how that could play out. This also creates a formal split in the TMC's Lok Sabha wing. Previously, we saw there have been multiple exits and resignations from the MLAs, many who voiced their concerns about the TMC leadership, and now this has affected Lok Sabha numbers of the TMC as well. So rebels can claim a separate parliamentary group, and one other implication for the TMC can be that the rebels can move the election commission to claim the TMC name as well as the symbol. Now, after the letter with signatures of the TMC rebel surfaces, what happens next? We speak about that. First up, listen into this reaction.
ममता बनर्जी को, अभिषेक बनर्जी को इतना पावर नहीं देना था, अपना पावर हाथ में रख के अभिषेक को साथ में लेके चलना था।
ये जो बॉस कल्चर, हम जो बोलेंगे वही करना पड़ेगा, ये जो इतना साल का दुर्व्यवहार, इतना साल की बेइज्जती, एक व्यक्ति ने पूरा पार्टी को खत्म कर दिया, पार्टी का नाम बदनाम कर दिया, पार्टी का इज्जत मिट्टी में मिला दिया।
अभिषेक बनर्जी का कोई भूमिका ही नहीं रहेगी, उनका साथ ये हमारा लेजिस्लेटिव पार्टी का कोई संबंध ही नहीं है, उनके साथ आवाम का भी कोई संबंध नहीं है, दूर दूर तक बंगाल का आवाम का कोई संबंध नहीं है।
सीनियर एमएलए मिनिस्टर्स बोल रहे 5-5, 6-6 घंटे उसके घर के नीचे बैठना पड़ता था और 5 घंटे बाद आके बोला जाता था आज मिल नहीं सकते हैं। ये अपमान दिल में बैठा दबा के रख दिया था।
So these are some of the reactions who raised questions on the leadership and the autocratic style of Abhishek Banerjee. Multiple TMC MLAs said that it was not the democratic way of functioning within the TMC. Now, after this letter with signatures of the TMC rebels have surfaced, the TMC's Kirti Azad has claimed that this is Operation Lotus. while saying that he will stick to Mamata Banerjee. The TMC MP going on to say, and I quote, "They're putting pressure by taking away my security and home guards, but unfortunately for them, I'm not going to succumb to their nasty tactics. Needless to say that I have received umpteen number of calls from various BJP MPs and organizational people as well." This is the claim that has been made by Kirti Azad. Let's now get you more breaking updates coming in on the TMC rebellion. It's Kirti Azad versus Nishikant Dubey after Kirti Azad made these claims, where he went on to say that BJP was the cause of this rebellion within the TMC, and he said that he had also received multiple calls from the BJP. There is a response that has come in from Nishikant Dubey. He has hit back at Kirti Azad saying everyone has a right to hold a media briefing, and even you can hold a briefing if you want. So this is a fight that's playing out. You have both the right and responsibility to hold a press conference outside or inside my house. If you wish, first I served you alongside as a BJP MP for 10 years. And your father, Azad ji, was like a guardian to me. And he has written a fairly long letter where he has spoken about this. And then he has spoken about a betrayal. Let's go across to my colleague Amit Kumar joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Amit, it's an all-out war now. And we just heard what Kirti Azad has said. He claims that this is Operation Lotus or Operation Kamal, and it has all been orchestrated by the BJP.
देखिए, ये आरोप लगेगा और ये आरोप टीएमसी के जो तमाम बाकी लोग हैं जो कि अभी ममता के साथ खड़े हैं वो इस बात को बार बार कह भी रहे हैं कि ये पूरा ऑपरेशन बीजेपी ने किया है। लेकिन जब बीजेपी नेताओं के पास हम लोगों ने बात की तो उनका एक ही बात कहना था कि ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज अगर हम किसी को अप्रोच करते हैं वो व्यक्ति तभी आता है या फिर कोई व्यक्ति के अंदर की नाराजगी होती है, अगर वो आना चाहता है तो कोई पॉलिटिक्स में रोकता नहीं है। और इस बात को आप समझिए कि 15 साल की से सत्ता में है, इससे पहले से आप पार्टी टीएमसी है और एक चुनाव हारने के 1 महीने के भीतर अगर पार्टी टूट रही है, करीब 60 विधायक टूट रहे हैं, 19-20 अगर सांसद टूट रहे हैं, तो इसका मतलब है कि उनके भीतर नाराजगी थी जिसको शायद अभी तक किसी ने एड्रेस नहीं किया। यही बात बीजेपी कह रही है कि जिस पार्टी में कि जिस नेता को सम्मान नहीं मिलता वो अपना भविष्य देखता है। अगर उनको लगता है कि भविष्य जो है वो बीजेपी के साथ, और इसलिए भी है कि हालांकि बीजेपी ने साफ कहा है कि वो किसी को ले नहीं रही है, लेकिन अगर उनको लगता है कि वो एनडीए को सपोर्ट करेगी तो उनको बीजेपी का ये मानना है कि शायद टीएमसी के नेताओं को लगा कि जो डेवलपमेंट टीएमसी के सरकार में रोका गया था वो डेवलपमेंट और का जो एजेंडा है वो बीजेपी और एनडीए कर रही है। देखिए, ये पॉलिटिक्स है, ये वॉर ऑफ वर्ड्स चलेगा, लेकिन सबसे महत्वपूर्ण चीज है कि ये टूट हो गई। आप 19 सांसदों ने सिग्नेचर कर दिया। आप कीर्ति आजाद से कुछ भी कहें, कीर्ति आजाद इसको किसी पर भी आरोप लगाए, लेकिन ये बात तो तय है कि कीर्ति आजाद की पार्टी और कीर्ति आजाद के नेता ममता बनर्जी अपनी पार्टी को साथ नहीं रख पाए। जो नाराजगी की बात आती है, तो अभी थोड़ी देर पहले सौगत राय से भी मेरी बात हो रही थी, सब यही कह रहे थे कि ममता बनर्जी चाहती तो पार्टी को टूटने से रोक सकती थी, लेकिन ममता बनर्जी जिस बात को लेकर सारे लोग नाराज हैं, जिस व्यक्ति से नाराज हैं, उनको लेकर अगर वो आंख बंद कर ले, अगर वो खुद को धृतराष्ट्र के भूमिका में आ जाए कि बस मुझे कुछ देखना ही नहीं है और इसके बाद जो हो रहा है उसके लिए सबके लिए अगर वो अभिषेक का समर्थन करे जबकि पूरी पार्टी उनके खिलाफ हो, तो ये पार्टी टूटेगी। इस पे आप इसे ऑपरेशन लोटस कहें या जो भी कहें, मुझे लगता है कि ये इस बात को समझने की जरूरत है कि पार्टी में नाराजगी क्यों है। आप सायोनी घोष उन लोगों में से है जो कि सीधे आप रिप्लिका तो थी, हम माना जाता था कि सबसे लॉयलिस्ट है ममता की। उनका भी ये आरोप है कि अभिषेक बनर्जी ना तो खुद मिलते थे, ना ही ममता तक उनकी बात को पहुंचने देते थे। तो इस तरह की बात सारे नेताओं की है जो आज पार्टी से अलग होना चाहते हैं। इस बात को ममता को भी समझना चाहिए कि अगर गड़बड़ियां हैं तभी लोग नाराज हैं, तभी अलग हो रहे हैं। कोई बिना मतलब के अलग होता है, ये नाराज नहीं होता है।
Yes, you're right, because multiple TMC leaders have raised questions on the leadership of the TMC, going on to say the style of functioning of Abhishek Banerjee was unacceptable. And even those like Kalyan Banerjee, who are known to be very close to Mamata Banerjee, have also now come out and raised these questions on Abhishek Banerjee, saying it's either him or me who will remain in the party. Amit, thank you for joining us with all those details. The BJP has in fact taken a jibe at Mamata Banerjee, saying this is a result of putting the Bhatija over party, and that's why the TMC is breaking.
A document that contains the 20 Lok Sabha MP signatures of the Asli TMC under Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar's leadership. It shows that the asli TMC is different, and what Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee are representing, they are the Nakli TMC. It is now called Tukdo Mein Congress TMC. And this is happening because Mamata Banerjee was imposing Bhatija over party. One fact is clear, that now the debate on who's the asli TMC, it has been settled. Those who have the Sankhya Bal, the numbers, they are the asli TMC. Unfortunately, now Mamata Banerjee does not have much options. She might want to merge her party with the Congress party.
Sabyasachi has been tracking the developments right from the start, and he has also been speaking to multiple leaders from the rebel faction as well. And Sabyasachi, what are you picking up? Is there actually going to be a complete split in the TMC, and is the rebel faction going to claim being the real TMC?
See, the rebel faction is going to be a separate bloc, and they are going to call themselves the Trinamool Congress. There are limited options as far as Mamata Banerjee establishment is concerned. Mamata Banerjee would be looking at the option that, as per the anti-defection law, you have to merge. If you have a 2/3 majority, you cannot form a separate bloc. You have to merge with one of the party. In this case, it is the Bharatiya Janata Party. But the BJP has made it clear that none of the Trinamool Congress Lok Sabha MP will be joining the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, what option is left with Kakoli Ghosh Dostidar is that they would, as far as the legal battle is concerned, they would go to the EC or they would go to the Lok Sabha Speaker, and they would say that there were several decisions that was taken by the Trinamool Congress that was against the Constitution. In fact, the party was functioning against the Constitution. So under these circumstances, we are the real Trinamool Congress. So we will be the separate bloc and give our support to the NDA. So this is the most likely situation that is going to happen in the next few days once the rebel MPs are sure that the numbers is 20, 21 or 22 because there are still talks that 1 or 2 MPs can also shift to the rebel camp. So once they have gathered all the signatures, they are going to give the letter personally to the Lok Sabha Speaker and stake the claim.
Okay, all right, Sabyasachi, thank you for getting us all that information, all those inputs. With that, it's time for us to slip into a very short break here. We'll be right back. Stay with us.